Politricks watch. This is Serpy. Today I'm gonna hear a whole heap of name because a whole heap of bad minding are going. I don't know anything we talk about them favorite artists. I would just telling them what them do. All the time when you can see it for themselves on camera, them still break it down to bad mind. But you can't expect complex things from simple folk. So we just work with it a bad mind. Today I'm going to talk about Popcaan, I'm going about Valiant, I'm going about producer guy DJ Mac, I'm going to hear about Glasses Man, I'm going to hear about Nigel, August 876. Remember me telling you about one dopey batty then called Glasses Man. Call him Glasses. Police hold on upon him with a cheap Glock. They hold him to one school. Look like a that's fight in the area even. Or maybe at the Grace Chillers section of the JCF go feed me, know. But them hold on upon Glasses. Cheap Glock. How much extra rounds that dopey butter walk up and down. A part artist right through. When they finally hold on upon him. No people that send me the article them in time to get locked up because I tell them I already say that same Glasses played a major role in the death of Nigel. That's August 876. Played a key role, major key. For the role him playing a Nigel death, him lucky say I just station him there right now, I just jail him there right now. I say, maybe because I want school them hold him now. Or the Grace Chillers section of the JCF go film. But how it come to this? As usual, your favorite artists them in a them war, in a them mix up. Some of you may have seen a video, a short video, or even hear the story. Say Popcaan rush one producer guy named DJ Mac, peer box up go on. Now, when you hear anything like that, when you hear Popcaan rush nobody, if you ever hear Popcaan physically step in nobody, you know right away so there was a very large entourage close by. This is what happens when time LIQ start make money, start party be a dopey bat around them, start feel certain strength them never have before. Popcaan by himself would never in 1,000 years look for step to any man. Not just DJ Mac, not even McDonald's. Not even one McDonald's burger. He made that step to. Popcaan is not built like that. But when you have money, fame, dopey back there your foot, you know it already. How did it come to this? Popcaan them go for beat up and broke up Valiant. They may say Valiant run a one club, then gone around there. When them reach around there, Valiant never dey on the scene. He was nowhere to be seen. But then go buck up in a DJ Mac, who based on my understanding is one of the newer producer them now. We have a bag of hit song on the road. They must sound, we're dinosaur now, so we have to kind of get ourselves familiar. I wouldn't really know them name from back in the day, but we get to understand say that a new school producer and them have hit song on road. Enough hit song on road. I'm gonna tell him, so look at you, but I am produce song and say, me buck up in there. Yeah. That brother there. DJ Mac. Popcaan they rush on pan him. The screen grab on us on the screen right now. We never see it. We only can look for it. Well, it's all over the internet still, so only can just search for Popcaan and DJ Mac fight or club brawl or whatever. But the place spooky. Remember them say when you start make money then it's going to be peace and love and all that. So Popcaan them rush on pan Mac. That Valiant them did really want. So Valiant now, who as me telling already, is a youth who come from a decent background. But Valiant, like enough youth who go in a dance hall, start rub shoulders and lick head with the wrong people them. Start have some dopey batter in foot. I know that guy already. One of them dopey back there was Glasses. Yes, the Glasses did a power around Valiant. This is how no favorite acidic artist them roll, right? Them have some 87 of them crew. If a boy ever try to diss them, they don't know it already. So Valiant are par with glasses, man. And especially after one to DJ Mac, people make all kind of talks and can't wait for Popcaan try that again. We don't find it strange how all these rich youth who supposed to be so happy and content still operate like the youth them on the corner who not nothing flus. We don't realize that. All the money, all the fame, and them still behave exactly the same. See a bar there. So one more lyrics so you can put in on the book. All the money, all the fame, and him still behave the same. Valiant apart glasses, man. Same glasses, man. Who played a major role in Nigel's demise. Same glasses, man, who responsible for how much madness in the corporate era. Iron Man. People from Grand Spend can tell you all about him. All people from Augustown side can tell you all about him. Dopey bat. Valiant. We don't have money for buy Benz, Beamer and Lamborghini. We don't have money for buy all kind of chain and watch and sitting, but we can't pay for some serious security. We can pay for real security now. This argument, boy, yeah man, let's get some killy round the foot in case a boy this me. See me I say dog. No, it's for street cred. You know it's for street cred and for intimidation and make people hear so, oh my power then gunman there, John dog. If when they really serious, when that power with serious security. I mean real security. Them dopey bat there when our power can't even shoot. If something kick off on them, by the time glasses done fire at a chip Glock there, all the granny in our bed I get shot. And the man them a fire off I probably don't even get one round. I have some real security, youth. You see, Valiant they probably gonna realize that hold on, dancehall really is as corrupt as they say. And if it make things worse, him gone in there gone cosplay Shatter and cosplay Chopper and cosplay Wicked man. That Valiant gonna do, you know. Valiant never gonna dancehall go portray him actual background and him actual upbringing. See, Valiant is similar to Puss in Boots. Like how people see Puss in Boots and they shake them head. A disappointing dopey but I see him thing with Valiant. When you hear Valiant talk about the content in their music, people have to shake them head because who is that guy? What is he doing? Well, Valiant is now learning that dibbling and dabbling in acidity and evil has consequences. Valiant a par with glasses, man. As the police can hold on upon glasses there. Now, with the new Firearm Act, unless man have some kind of plea deal or something like that, we know how much years they're supposed to get. And glasses man is definitely the type of person who would have got itch in farm. So people like Ninja and Dave and Max and them man, they're supposed to start get worried right now. Cause glasses no wallet but them. Them have money now. They can get real security. Trained professionals. Them so rich. Them dash your money. This is how. You ever notice how dancehall artists and rappers behave? Them tell you say, yo, real security expensive, you know, but the same man tell you say, oh, book a girl yesterday, I spend $1 million on her. Them book one Gen Z Jezebel today and buy her one car same time to show you how they're rich. At the latest car, the latest jewelry, the latest clothes. But when it comes down to him security, him tell us say, yo, them things they're expensive dog, I'm never gonna pay man for do this. Him rather get the local killy and buy him gun, buy him shot, carry him on tour with him, up and down back of him because that give him street cred and that help him acidic image. When people see me that legal cross protection, security, that help him street cred, you know. That have a nerd. What him want to be seen with is a dopey bat who screw up him face. Until they say he come from around a tall spin and he come from around a jungle and a ream and if a boy this him go so that's what him want because when him try push image, him try show say me a bad man that be a killy me power with. This is all them profile. With that Valiant with that Popcaan. And let me just say this Popcaan. The fact say you pull up boy you go lick down man and all kind of something is laughable. No for one to go and play the wrong joke with the wrong man one day. No for one the dancehall fans. I go end up go some big and boasty funeral with some of my favorite artists. Because you see, delusion is a hell of a thing. It's easy to get deluded when you have too much money in your ears. When too much dopey butt in your ears, I tell you, say, yo, my general, you're the biggest thing in the world. Yo, right now, you're my father, you're my God. When too much money in your ears, I tell you that, you start to believe it. And that is how people like Popcaan, somebody who, or if you wet him up and put him in a water boot, him don't weigh 105 pounds. Think him can pull up on a grown man. No, on that day, him pull up on DJ Mac. And him live for build the next tune. But I'm telling you, sooner or later, dancehall groupie, someone are gonna start bury on the favorite artist them because they are gonna pull up on a man. Figure box up and drape up and kick down, and that man will not be having it, guy. And that man is going to exercise his right to self-defense and smarty go and good on the ground. And right now, Dopey Bat sit down and listen to about boy, so be can say more. So no boy can this and no boy can do that. First of all, them know exactly who to pull up on. Do not think when Popcaan rush DJ Mac, them already have an idea of who DJ Mac is and what can happen to them. Them know that. That is why when time certain artists are war, certain artists nothing happen. But when time certain artists are war and next artist then run go back up, man. Them know. But one day them not gonna know. Because you have some people who don't give off the image of how dangerous they can be when they not listen to me. When them watches how much money are part, how much killy are part, them say, alright, don't bother rush him. But them go see a one man apart by himself and say, oh, him a weak fence that man. And that is the man they must fear. And when they rush him, they shall be weeping and mourning and gnashing of teeth. But don't take my red feet still. I'm so look bad man YouTuber. And before the video end, DJ guy keep event in a school now kind of something. Why them keep allowing artists, especially certain artists, to keep event in a school? Artists will tell us, oh, my music now nothing for you, pitting nothing for you, this and then tell them so don't go nowhere in the school. In my opinion, once an artist make a certain type of music, they should not be allowed to go anywhere near certain schools. Just like how certain movies don't get shown to certain people, yes, the PG-16, PG this, guess what? Your music is PG Dopey Bat. Therefore, you should be nowhere within 500 meters of any educational institution. Whether the institution is open or closed, all if pitting in there, you know if you go there. Jamaica have Dopey Bat artists in a school or put on a stage show. And all them brothers change around 2 words in a song, like say pitting know the original version. You people are silly. They're like, yeah man, we're going to invite the artist boy, make him perform in Biggie's hit song then, but artist guy just change on the lyrics to look weird, like say Pitting know the real song. Remember in time Moby school have people like 12 of them a perform in front of Pitney? Who is making these decisions, guy? Youths are easily impressed and drawn towards it. If you're saying your type of music is not for children and not for youths, then when you are performing at school for, you should be allowed nowhere near a school, no matter how you want to change up your lyrics. The same way we don't allow a pedo to go a certain distance within school, because they should be far from schools. And the same way I see the Dopey Bat must be far from children and far from the youths. Right now in Moby, the Sparta gang. Tommy Lee Dopey Bat them. Them have all a faction called Young Sparta. Them have all the youth version, the youth branch. Remember say them can contact police and ask police, is this person, is this artist linked formally to any gang? Police can tell them that, but them doing business. And I don't care if the school is closed. Certain type of artists should not be allowed to venture on any school ground. Your music is PG Dopey Bat. And that applies whether the school is open or closed. You don't even want you to put them go school next day and you say, you know, say, such money down here yesterday, you put on a big show. But don't take my word for it still. I'm going to say, bad mind artists cause them have Lamborghini. DJ guy, this pull up man and rush man and lick down man and box down man and all them something there. A years not a go on the dancehall no. Years no. Dancehall artists and make man get beat, you know. Years not happen, you know. And I'm telling you guys, one day them luck going to run out. One day them are going to pull up for beat smarty. and somebody go and beat them down in a one grave. Not everybody going for it, guy. Some people take them right to self-defense extremely seriously. Man, I forgot to learn the hard way. And of course, you know, people like Popcaan love to tell about God and all them something there. You know, but tell all the time which God. Vile. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Peace.